Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what options do we have uh, to save our changes, our projects in Lucidchart. So we can save it locally also, because automatically on the web page in the cloud is everything saved automatically. So your project which you are working on is always saved automatically, so you don't have to worry about if your computer crash. Now, but you can save it locally so that you can share with your friends also, but you can also share it through link right here, as you can see. You can also add people to this project. But will be focusing on how we can download it locally. So if you are here in your project, go up here next to the name of your project. You will see these three lines. Click on that and you will directly see export. So right here. Now these are all the options that you can export to. So you can also have Google Docs, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Google Slides, PDF, PNG, JPEG, SVG, CSV of shape data, and so on. So these are the options that we can save locally. So if I click PDF like that, I don't show this again. Okay, and done. Now I have a preview here how this will look like. I have choose PDF, full Canva. Uh, you can set up page size if you want and include page fill. I think I don't need that, or we can, doesn't matter. And up the right top corner, you will see download button. Click on it and the process will start. So as you can see, now it's done. And I have my project in PDF uh, locally now on my computer. So this is the way how you can save it in Lucidchart, your diagrams, your projects. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next